You might feel like a budget feels super restrictive and that you're not allowed to have any fun while you are on a budget. You can actually build in a little bit of fun and entertainment into that budget. I'm not saying to splurge and spend all your savings, but maybe do it a little bit more in a controlled setting. You can have some entertainment built into your budget, or you can even save towards a short-term goal like an upcoming concert or maybe a trip you're going to take with some of your friends. But do it a little bit more controlled, maybe not so much on a whim, and make some smart decisions even when it comes to spending a little extra money on yourself. When it comes to budgeting and saving money, some people think that the only way to get financial advice is to hire a financial planner, and you may not be there yet in your ability to afford one of those. But you know what could be extremely valuable information? Information from some of your friends and family members who have had good or bad experiences with saving money and budgeting. If you're comfortable, you can go over your budget with them, and you can also go over some of your monthly spending, and maybe they can see something as an outsider to give you some advice or tips to help you control your money management. And don't forget, there could be some free professional resources out there. Maybe do a Google search, look for different online videos, check out some of our tips because we discuss things like student loans and repayment that could help you achieve some of your financial goals.